So guys, we have a special guest in the house for this video. It's Hannah Montana. Come on in, Miley.
Hey everybody, I'm Miley Cyrus, and today we're gonna be doing best of both worlds. You get the best of both worlds. Chillin', now take it slow. Then you rock out the show. Thank you, Los Angeles. I'll see you guys next time. You guys were amazing. I love you guys.
Anyways, what is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel.
What's up?
And we have Miley Cyrus here guest starring in my video.
Yes.
So you guys can see, this is such an unfortunate angle, by the way. You look so beautiful. And I have to have no makeup on. This isn't fair.
We're gonna be getting you to look amazing, more amazing than you already do, because you're beautiful inside and out, honey, okay? So we don't even have to, you don't have to wear makeup.
Thanks, Miley. Anyways, this video is gonna be all over the place, as you can tell, but long story short, I already introduced myself. Hey, Amber, what's up? This is one of my very best friends in the world, Roxette.
Not Miley Cyrus, unfortunately, but hi.
And she is, as you can tell, a real-life beauty guru here on YouTube. And you guys know I have my cosmetics line coming out in just a few days.
It's amazing, by the way, I already tried it out.
Roxette approved. So I thought it'd be fun to have Roxette come in and teach me her beauty guru secrets of how to do your makeup like a freaking star. So
Secret is AS Cosmetics highlighter palette. Yes, honey.
oh, ooh, sis. I'm not wearing anything, but we're gonna fix that soon. So without further ado, here we go. Roxette, a real life beauty guru, teaches me how to do my makeup. This video is gonna have so much screaming in it. Alrighty, so we are here doing the whole beauty guru thing. We've got the beauty guru, we got me, and we got the studio. So we are all ready to go, and of course we have all my makeup ready to star in this video. So I have my own way of doing makeup, and obviously everyone else has their own personal way too, but I thought it would be fun to get some semi-pro tips from someone who obviously knows how to slay. So I'll kind of do my makeup and you can teach me as I go, like what I should be doing.
Yes.
So.
And I mean, with my little wand.
Perfect.
I'm your fairy god makeup mother.
Thank you. I always start with primer. I just put it on with my fingers. Is that cool?
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Okay.
Wink. Of course I washed my hands
Love.
before doing this.
So with primer, you really actually want to press the product into the pores so that it creates a flat surface. And that's what's really going to help to create like that smooth base once you go in with foundation. So
We can use my foundation stick. Is that cool?
yeah.
Yeah.
I think she has been using this exact foundation in this exact shade since I've known her.
Yeah.
So in the beauty guru world, I feel like we change foundations like literally every single day. Like I'll have a different foundation on for the most part because I'm always trying them out. So it's always interesting to me
That I wear this.
that you want.
This is the KKW beauty brush actually, so it's cool because it has the contour brush on one side and then the like beauty blender thing on this side. So that's what I use for my foundation.
I want to try it on.
You want to try doing it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've never used this. Yes, honey, yes.
Thank you.
Yes. You always want to use pressing motion, so you obviously never want to swipe because then you'll swipe away like the makeup that you have underneath. So like in this case, you would swipe away the foundation.
Yeah. Okay, so there we
Flawless.
go. Girl, thank you. All right, so that's what I do. Then I use concealer.
Oh my god, I've been wanting to try this one. I haven't
Dude,
tried
it's
it.
so good. Okay, so I use the NARS concealer. You haven't tried it?
No, the soft matte one.
Yeah. I do use my finger for this. Is this so bad?
I would usually pounce it in with a beauty blender as well.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
we can use this. And I'll just put that underneath my eye like this.
I am screaming. She just dug in, girl. One of my best tips for concealer is underneath the eyes, go in with 2 layers because a lot of us have like those divots underneath the eyes.
Yeah,
you know?
totally. Bags. Because we're tired.
We don't
I don't sleep.
I edit through the night like to get my videos up. So like I haven't slept in 3 weeks, honey. I need hella concealer to like help me look like
You guys know, you see my timestamps on Instagram story. It's like 3 a.m., 6 a.m. It's like, yeah.
It's all
we never sleep.
Seriously, like it's crazy. I have become a nocturnal animal at this point. But to help with
text you at 4 a.m. and you're like, hey, I'm like, why are you awake?
literally.
Cool.
Love.
Here we go.
Yes. You look looking amazing.
I usually put my contour here and then I just brush it in. It's perfect. That's what people do.
Honestly, I think Amber's contour is always on point.
Thanks, girlfriend.
I really do think that.
Truly. Gotta get that.
Snatch.
Kimberly snatch cheekbone
Yes.
look. Whew. Any tips for contouring your nose?
You know what? My biggest tip, do you use cream or powder?
I use cream.
You use cream.
Yes, I do.
You totally can. That's just a preference thing. I personally use powder, and my biggest tip is actually to use your bronzer as your contour, because then I feel like it just matches a lot better. Like the contour here will match like the sides of the face. Give us your tips.
Okay, so this is what I do. I use the cream, the same cream that I used here, and then I will kind of, it's hard for you guys to see it, but I will literally just line it like super dark, and then I will literally like lighten it. I know you're supposed to kind of do it the other way, but I like to do it this way because I like it to be super dramatic. Like I want my nose to look like...
Honestly though guys, like the cool thing about makeup is that one, it's makeup, it washes off. Two, every person finds their own way of doing it the way that they like, and that's one thing that I love about makeup is that like it's a confidence booster, but you do you. Like literally that's like the extent of the phrase, you know what I mean? Like you have to like you do you, and like it's all good.
By the way, you guys, just as a disclaimer, we can't
see what we're doing. It's so far.
The camera's really far away. We don't know what we look like. So I'm sure Roxette looks amazing. How I look is totally TBD. So please take everything with a grain of salt.
You look beautiful, don't worry.
Anyways, that's basically like my base look, and then I do my eyes. You said it's a better idea to do your eyes first.
I mean, that's again personal preference. I do my eyes first just because I don't want like fallout from like the eyeshadows or maybe liner or mascara or whatever getting runny into into the foundation or the base makeup. So yeah, that's why I do that. But you know, to each their own. You could totally do it the opposite.
Cool.
Way.
So now that we are all primed up, now I get to do the fun part. So are you guys ready? I'm gonna stand up for this because I don't like sitting.
Ooh, yeah.
There we go. So we have the full AS Cosmetics collection here. Oh my goodness, fantastic.
I'm so proud of you.
You're so cute. Thank you. So we have my collection, and that is what I'm going to use on my eyes because that is what I use every day. And yes, and we're gonna use the highlighter too, obviously, and then the glosses. But I use highlighters for the inner corner and the brow bone.
That's perfect.
People do that?
Yeah.
Great.
Love that.
Love that.
I used PJ today for my inner corners and my brow bones and my highlight.
Oh, you look great. PJ, I use that on my collarbone.
What did PJ stand for?
Private jet.
Love that.
Yeah.
Not the other.
Not what you think.
Not.
We're gonna use After Hours and Like a Lady Work. I use both of them. I like layer them on top of each other. So here we go. And I put that in the inner corner and underneath my eyebrow, like that.
Really shiny in person.
Yes. I use so much highlighter, by the way. My motto is the more the merrier. I want it everywhere. Like I literally, I put on so much.
I would bathe in highlighter if I could, honestly.
Oh yeah.
Remember when you did the video, the Taylor Swift, and you were just in the bath with the diamonds? Love that.
Yeah, we actually did a video together a long time ago. Like I said, no sleep. A really long time ago where we did, I bathed in a bathtub of diamonds.
Love.
Yeah. So I put that all there. Fantastic.
The glosses smell good.
Don't they smell good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo!
And I mean, don't get your mind in the gutter, guys. We were not about to kiss.
Clickbait? No. I'll use that as the thumbnail. Beauty Guru teaches me how to kiss.
The drama.
Yeah. 6 million likes. Thumbs up and comment if you want to see that video later. Okay, no, I'm kidding. So now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and use my eyeshadows.
So pretty. This palette is gorgeous.
They're so beautiful. I'm gonna use Bankroll, and then over this color, I'm gonna use 24 karat. Do you have any tips for doing eyeshadow or like trying new looks?
Like I said before, it's makeup, so it always washes off. So always experiment with new things because you never know what you're gonna like, what you're gonna love.
Use a little bit of black to make it extra dark. By the way, this black color is so pigmented.
Is it?
Oh my god, it's the most pigmented black I've ever used. When I had all the separate pans at my house as little samples, I accidentally dropped the black one like straight onto my carpet, and there is now a nice black stain on my carpet that I can't get out. So don't drop it, but also, yeah, very pigmented.
I'm gonna swatch while we're doing this.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Ooh. See? Look at that, guys. Look. Show how black it is.
Wow.
Damn.
Wow. Yes, honey.
Work.
Look at that. Matte blacks are the hardest to swatch, so the fact that this swatches this well, you did that, girl. You did that.
Woo! Thanks, girlfriend.
It feels so
Dude, they're
buttery.
so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh my
See,
God,
they're
so
pretty. Yeah.
I need to do a close-up. Let me do like a couple more swatches and then we're gonna do a close-up because like, wow. Look at that. So pretty. I'm just over here having a little swatch party while Amber does her makeup.
So now I have my eyeshadow kind of done, so now I'm just gonna do my signature winged liner, which I always use. I use the Kat Von D liner because it's great, and I put it on the inner corner and the outer corner to make me look a little more like catty.
Honestly, guys, her liner is always good.
Thank you. Any tips for liner? I start like on the outside.
Yeah, I start on the outside, drag it towards the end of the eyebrow, kind of, right? And then make a triangle back to the middle of the lash line.
There we go.
See? Yes.
He's there. Well, you guys can barely see, but he's there.
He is there and he's living.
Okay, so by the way, in case you can't tell, I'm getting sick. I've gotten sick over the course of this video, so yeah, I have to stop with now. But anyways, now that we got the eyeshadow, and you can see my winged liner a little bit, sort of. I will do a close-up at the end, but now I'm just gonna glue on my lashes.
Lashes are essentials, okay?
Woo!
You can't.
A girl after my own heart.
Literally, lashes. They just bring the look together. Like,
hell yeah.
I rarely wear makeup without lashes anymore. Once you go lash, you can't go back.
Hell yeah. That's gonna be the slogan for my lash line when it comes out.
Love.
I put on mascara before I put the lashes on.
Yeah, I do too.
Okay, great.
Because if you put the mascara on after the lashes, it ruins the life of the lashes. So you won't be able to use them as many times. You won't be getting your money's worth. And I mean, broke bitch tips 2.0. Yes, honey. Okay, I was here when her channel started.
She was. A real friend.
Well, kind of.
Well,
at the beginning.
One of my personal tips for lashes is you let the glue dry for like 20 seconds before you put them on. Pro lash tip. I may not be a pro makeup artist, but I am a pro lash queen. I will say that.
When I put on my lashes, I like to hold the mirror from the bottom so that I can actually place the lashes down on my lash line and I know where they're going, if that makes sense.
I like that. So hold it from below. Okay. Oh, I like that.
See how you can like really place it down where you want?
See now. Oh, I use tweezers, bedazzled ones preferably. Oh, can you guys see the difference that makes?
Oh my god. Bro,
already.
Honestly,
who is
this? Is a look. This is a look. So pretty.
Who's calling me? Tell them to not call me anymore. Is it a boy? No, of course not.
Honestly, it looks so good. Like seriously, it looks really good.
You.
Seriously.
You guys, it's Roxanne approved.
It looks really good.
If Jeffree Star was here, who knows what he would say, but
approved.
It's Roxanne approved. Hell yeah. I don't know if you do this. I am obsessed with bottom mascara.
Yes.
People forget about it. It's so important.
I really feel like that is the finishing touch. Like when sometimes I'll forget and then I'll look in the mirror and be like, something's not right.
Yeah.
And it's that.
So bottom mascara is important, kids. There we go. My eyes.
Done.
All right. Now we get to do my favorite thing. Highlighter! Woo! Crowds cheering. Yes, highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Gold Dust highlighter palette. Boop. Of course, the same one that I was using on my eyes. So I use like a brush like this.
Yeah, that's perfect.
There we go.
Great.
Like I said, my two favorite colors are Like a Lady and After Hours. I like to blend them together. So we're going to do just that. I put Like a Lady. What is the tips for highlighter? I literally just put it like here, like really aggressively, like all over. Like literally, you guys ready for this? Look at this. Ooh, yes, honey.
For me, I really saturate the product right on the high points of the face. So like definitely the cheekbones. I do the Cupid's bow and then a little bit up here, like above the brows.
Really?
Yeah,
above the brows.
Above the brows, like right here, and then down the middle of the nose. Like anywhere where light would naturally hit the face.
I like to put it on the tip of my nose. Like
yeah, that gives you a really cute nose.
Yeah.
I love that. Yeah.
She's shiny, kids. Oh, also, by the way, of course, do you do this? I always put it on my collarbones.
Yes, always.
I can't even see them, but like, yes, more.
Oh, it really makes a difference, honestly.
I'm already wearing
especially,
some also. Just put more on top of it.
I was wearing some earlier too. But especially when you're wearing like an off-the-shoulder top, like Amber is, yes, like that, it's gonna bring you to life. There's no other way to do it. You have to do it. You have to do it.
Fantastic. This is so glamorous of me. Anyways, last but not least, of course, I do my lips. We have my 4 glosses, Sugar Daddy Baby, and Trust Fund. They're out of order, but there we go. So I actually prefer when I use glosses, I like to like line them first and use a base color. Yes. So I've been really into nude beige because it's very like Nude. Nude. It's
nude.
super nude. And I
Love a super nude
love
moment.
me in some nude. So we have been doing nude colors lately. And what's the tip to overlining your lips like perfectly?
The tip is starting from the middle.
Oh,
So-
good, I do that!
Yes. So like you always want to start from the middle because that's the part that you really want to look even plumper. Once you're starting from the highest points, it's easy to match it back up with your natural lips. So it like looks a lot more natural and it doesn't look too crazy.
Good. Now I have my lipstick on. And for the glosses, I think what we're going to use, I don't know, which one do you think I should use? Maybe this one?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Okay, so we are going to
Really
use Sugar. That one's really pretty. It's like a champagne-y rose color that's kind of gonna go with the gold on my eyes.
Oh girl, that is nice.
Woo!
So pretty.
Woo, woo.
It just adds like the right amount of shine.
Cool.
Love that.
Love that.
I think it looks good.
Yeah. Spray on your setting spray and you are good to
Ooh.
go.
Ooh.
There
Yes,
we go,
I
we're
mean
done.
glowy, bronze, glam. We
I just
love.
like, broke my fingers. And there we go. Thanks for helping me do my face. Teaching me some tricks.
I hope it helps.
I'm gonna show you guys the makeup now because
You need to see it.
you want to see it up close. So here we go. Woo. So you can see my finished eyeshadow here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And the liner. Kids, look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Honey.
Ooh, yes. Yes.
Look at that.
Oh my god, wow. You
Wow.
amazing.
Oh my gosh, look at the highlight on there. Woo, woo.
Ooh.
Wow. Comes in handy to have a beauty guru be your friend.
Dude, it looks so good. It really does.
Thank you.
It really
thanks
does.
to your help. So cute. I still look naked next to you. Hold on, we're gonna put these up. Actually, no, I like it better like this. Anyways, there you have it, you guys. That was my beautiful beauty guru friend Roxette helping me look glamtastic. Ooh, featuring of course AS Cosmetics. Yes. Which, by the way, is dropping November 6th. So,
Woo, woo.
coming soon! Can you tell I'm excited? I'm excited. And so are you. Yay.
I'm very excited.
Yeah, even
Very
though you
excited.
already have it.
I'm very excited for you guys to experience what we experience because honestly, they really are good quality. Like the formulas, you guys, trust, okay?
She knows what she's talking about. Well, thanks, baby cakes. And if you guys want to check out Roxette, which I'm sure you do because she's very charming, tell them where they can find you.
YouTube.com/ Roxetterpiece.
I will link her below. Of course, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. We are going to go sleep? Question mark?
Question mark, exclamation mark.
Yeah, and I will see you guys next time. I love you, my sweet, beautiful, glittery, fabulous. Ooh, highlighted.
Yes.
Wow. Sis.
Yes.
Sis.
Yes. Yes.
Sis.
Yes. Yes.
Baby angels. XO. Woo! Look at that. Now that's what I call a look. By the way, Andres is watching. You want to be in my video again?
I'll be in your video again.
Yay. Roxette's on the floor.
Hello.
And fun behind the scenes tip. I'm not even dressed. I am wearing a corset and my yoga pants.
Love.
Yes, fashion. Also a look.